Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and this is the Thedivaden, where I like to talk all things home. So today I'm very excited to be participating in another challenge. In June, I participated in Hilary from Old World Home, and I will leave that link to that playlist below. I participated in her 2018 Summer Goodwill Challenge, where you were challenged to spend $5 or less at your local Goodwill, thrift store, garage sale, and pick up an item that you would love to use in your home. And like I said, I will leave that playlist below. That was so much fun. Now through that challenge, another YouTuber named Heidi Sonboul, I hope Heidi, I'm saying your name right, watched and commented on my video, and it was so sweet. And she told me that she and another YouTuber called Colorful Megan, and I will leave both their links below, we're doing this other challenge in July. And the idea behind this one was you take a color that you love and you paint something, or you sew something with that pop of color. It's just to add a touch of color to your home. And Heidi was kind enough to invite me to participate, and I thought, sure, why not? That sounds like fun. But then I got thinking, my house is pretty neutral. I don't know what I'm going to do. My husband will kill me if I paint a wall one of my favorite colors. And so I really had to think. I really had to put on my thinking cap what I was going to do. And one day, working in my office here, I looked up and it was as plain as the day what I could do. And I'm going to show you that right now. This is my pegboard in my Thedivaden, my office and my craft area. And I painted it. It came white, and I painted it with the black and the gold stripes. And I thought, let's face it, people, it's not cute. This is not cute. The idea, I think, was good, but it just, no, it's not cute, people. Not cute. And I'm really not happy with the way it's set up and everything. So when Heidi challenged me to paint something in my house, one of my favorite colors, this is what I'm going to do. Maybe do a few other little organizational things on it to make it look a lot nicer, but this is what I've decided to change and to paint one of my favorite happy colors. And I'm excited to get going on this project. I'm excited to do this. So thank you, Heidi and Colorful Megan for letting me participate in this. I'm excited to do this challenge, and I hope you like what I do. So I'm going to get started. We got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time.
got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time.
Okay guys, here's the finished board. What do you think? I love it. I am so glad the stripes are gone. I think the stripes before made the board look messy and never looked tidy no matter what I did to organize it. So I'm so glad the stripes are gone. And I've painted it this really pretty subtle pink. I love pink, and but it's not a sickly baby pink and certainly not a bright fuchsia pink, but it really suits the room much better. And I'm so glad I took the time to frame it out, to add some frame pieces around to give it more of a picture finish. But I'm really loving the subtle color that it gives, and it just looks cleaner and neater and not as messy like the stripes did. It suits the room much better. So I'm really happy with it, and I'd like to thank Heidi and Megan for putting this challenge out to everybody to try and find a space, an item, something in your home where you could bring a color in that you love. So the challenge really got me off my butt to do a project that I've been meaning to do for a long time. So I'm glad I took up this challenge, because now I'm quite happy with the result. So I hope that you'll take a look around your home and maybe find a space or an item where you can change it to a color that you love, something that reflects you and makes you happy, because that's what this is all about, is just loving the home you're in and making it a reflection of you. So until next time guys, I hope you'll think about subscribing by hitting that red button below. It costs nothing to subscribe, and perhaps even think about giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But I'd love to have you join me each week. So until next time guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye you guys.